Here's an interesting question. In triangle ABC, prove that tanA plus tanB plus tanC equals tanA, tanB, tanC. So sum of these three quantities is equal to their product. Let's begin the proof. Now before we can understand the proof, we need to know that tan of the supplementary angle, tan of 180 degrees minus theta, is negative tan theta. Because if you imagine theta to be an acute angle, this angle falls in the second quadrant, and that in the second quadrant tan is opposite to whatever it's in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant it's positive, in the second quadrant it's negative. So this is one of the facts we want to know. And the other fact we want to recall is if you have to add tan of a plus b, then it's a fraction where the numerator looks like you're as though distributing the tan. So it's tan a plus tan b, and then the denominator is 1 minus tan a tan b. So we'll use these two facts. All right, let's get back to the problem now. What do we know about triangle ABC? If you have a triangle ABC, then A plus B plus C is going to be 180 degrees. That's true of every triangle. So I can write A plus B as 180 degrees minus C. I can subtract both sides, subtract C from both sides. Now let's take tan on both sides. So tan of A plus B happens to be tan of 180 degrees minus C. And we looked at each of these parts up here. Tan of A plus B is simply tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. And the right side is simply negative tan C. Now if you multiply both sides by the denominator and then rearrange, you'll get this result. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I multiply both sides by the denominator, then on the left I'm only going to have tan A plus tan B, and on the right it's going to be negative tan C times that denominator, tan A 1 minus tan A tan B. I'm multiplying both sides by this quantity. So notice, there's nothing to work on the left side, it's just tan A plus tan B, but on the right side I can distribute the negative tan C. Negative tan C times 1 is just negative tan C, and negative tan C times negative tan A tan B is going to be positive tan A tan B. Actually, let's write it, tan C times tan A tan B. But we can rearrange this, and we can rewrite this as tan A tan B tan C if needed. Now if I add tan C to both sides, then I get the required result. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals tan A tan B tan C. So this is true of every triangle.